Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum cadets. In our previous lecture, we discussed about lens and its different types. Today, we are discussing about some important terms which are related to a lens. So, we discuss them one by one. First of all, one is principal axis. What is principal axis? Principal axis basically it is a straight line which passes through the center of lens which has two surface. It is straight lines which passes through two surface of lens from the center. It is straight line which passes through two surfaces of lens from center. It is called principal axis. If I draw the diagram, then we can see that it is convex lens, then a straight line which is passes from the center of the lens. A straight line which is passes from the center of the lens from two surfaces. It is called principal axis. Second one is principal focus. Principal focus is also denoted by capital F. When rays of light fall on a convex lens, then they reflect. After reflection, they meet on a single point. That single point is called principal focus. If I draw the diagram, then we can see that when rays of light fall on a convex lens, parallel rays of light. After reflection, they meet on a single point which is called F principal focus. After reflection, they meet on a single point. That single point is called principal focus. Our third one is optical center. Third one is optical center. What is optical center? The center of a lens. Simply, the center of a lens is called optical center and it is denoted by capital C. The center of a lens is called optical center and it is denoted by capital C. If I draw the diagram, then we can see that it is convex lens and it is center which is called optical center and it is denoted by C. The next term is principal focal length. Focal length. Focal length is denoted by small f. It is the distance between from the optical center to the principal focus. It is called focal length. The distance between principal focus and optical center is called focal length. And it is denoted by small f. It is denoted by small f. If I draw the diagram, then we can see that these are parallel rays of light. After refraction, they meet on a single point, which is called principal focus. It is called center of lens, which is also called optical center. And that straight line which passes from center, it is called principal axis. Now the distance between center of lens and principal focus, it is called focal length. The distance between center of lens and principal focus, it is called focal length. It is called focal length and it is denoted by small f. Dear cadets, today we discuss about different terms which are used in lens. These are basic terms which are used in a lens. In our next topic, inshallah, we will discuss properties of concave or convex lens. Thank you.